Welcome to the Man Style Decree, the place where men over 40 learn how to refine their look with confidence and intelligence. Today, we're breaking down the smartest ways to wear a scarf. These autumn stylish techniques that make you look younger, sharper, and effortlessly put together. No more bulky knots or outdated wrapping styles. Instead, you'll learn clean, modern methods that elevate your presence without overworking your outfit. If you're ready to master cool weather style with ease, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next guide designed to keep you looking your best. One, the relaxed European drape. The relaxed European drape is ideal for men over 40 who want effortless sophistication without appearing overdressed. This technique involves letting the scarf hang naturally around the neck without tying it, creating a clean vertical line that subtly lengthens the torso. It works exceptionally well with lightweight wool blend scarves, offering warmth without bulk. The look feels modern, cultured, and understated, perfect for cool autumn afternoons. Pairing this drape with a light cotton chore jacket and a soft Henley creates a smart, casual balance that avoids stiffness. The key to making this style younger is choosing a scarf with gentle texture and muted tones, letting it add personality without dominating the outfit. This approach conveys confidence, ease, and an appreciation for refined simplicity that suits mature men perfectly. Two, the clean once-over wrap. The once-over wrap is a minimalist scarf method that keeps the look crisp while adding subtle autumn warmth. For men over 40, it provides structure without crowding the neckline. Simply drape the scarf around the neck and throw one end over the opposite shoulder, creating controlled asymmetry that looks deliberate but effortless. This technique pairs beautifully with a lightweight suede shirt jacket and a basic crewneck tee. The movement of the scarf adds youthful softness, while the clean wrap enhances balance and clarity. Choose a scarf with smooth texture to avoid unnecessary volumes, something like a thin merino blend. This style is ideal for relaxed city strolls, museum visits, or weekend cafe stops where you want refinement that doesn't feel forced. Three, the loose single knot. The loose single knot creates a stylish focal point without looking tight or restrictive, making it perfect for men over 40 seeking relaxed confidence. This method adds definition to the upper body while allowing the scarf to drape naturally. It pairs best with a lightweight bomber jacket and a textured long-sleeve tee for a youthful yet grounded aesthetic. Opt for a soft, breathable scarf like a cotton-linen blend to maintain comfort during mild autumn weather. The single knot adds a casual European flair that feels refined but not pretentious. It's ideal for men who want a balanced look that enhances the neckline without overwhelming the outfit. This technique shines during casual outings, bookstore visits, or walks through autumn parks. For the soft reverse drape. The soft reverse drape offers a practical yet elegant way to wear a scarf without appearing overly styled. For men over 40, this method adds warmth around the back of the neck while keeping the front open and elongated. To achieve it, drape the scarf around the neck and pull both ends backward so they rest gently behind the shoulders. It works beautifully with a relaxed overshirt layered over a tonal tee, creating a contemporary look that feels clean and youthful. Lightweight fabrics like airy wool blends or cashmere blends work best here, avoiding bulk while maintaining movement. This approach is perfect for casual walks, weekend galleries, or visiting outdoor cafes during cool autumn days. Five, the effortless loop tuck. The loop tuck technique gives men over 40 a youthful, modern twist without looking overly styled. It provides warmth while maintaining a sleek, unobtrusive shape around the chest. To achieve it, create a small loop at one end of the scarf and gently tuck the opposite end through, letting the knot sit low and relaxed. This style pairs perfectly with a light denim trucker jacket and a soft jersey tee, creating a clean, approachable aesthetic suitable for cool autumn days. Choose a scarf with slight texture, like a lightweight wool cotton blend, to help the loop hold its shape naturally. The loop tuck adds subtle sophistication while still feeling casual, making it ideal for weekend strolls, coffee shop visits, or creative workspace outings. 6. The casual side toss. The casual side toss is a perfect scarf technique for men over 40 who want a relaxed, youthful energy without appearing overly styled. This method involves letting the scarf drape naturally around the neck with one end casually thrown to the side, creating asymmetry that feels spontaneous yet refined. It works best with a lightweight cotton modal scarf that moves easily and doesn't bunch up. Pairing it with a minimalist knit sweater, polo, and soft tailored trousers creates a smart casual tone, ideal for cool autumn days. The outfit remains breathable while still offering warmth around the neckline, giving a modern European vibe suitable for weekend city strolls or meeting friends for coffee. This technique adds personality and charm without trying too hard, making it perfect for mature men who prefer subtle expressiveness. Seven, the neat front fold. The neat front fold is an elevated scarf method perfect for men over 40 who want clean structure without bulk. This technique folds the scarf lengthwise and drapes it neatly across the front, allowing both ends to fall evenly. It creates a sleek vertical line that adds height and clarity to the upper body. This style pairs beautifully with a lightweight canvas utility, overshirt, and a soft rib tee, giving a balanced look that is casual yet refined. Choose a fine cashmere blend scarf for comfortable warmth during cool autumn weather. The front fold enhances symmetry and lends a modern aesthetic suited for art galleries, bookstores, or relaxed professional meetings. It communicates maturity and calm confidence while keeping the outfit fresh and contemporary. Eight, the over-shoulder relaxed loop. The over-shoulder relaxed loop brings a modern, laid-back charm perfectly suited for men over 40 who prefer effortless sophistication. This method forms a loose loop in front, then drapes one end casually over the shoulder, creating visual interest without tightening the neckline. It works best with lightweight, brushed cotton scarves that offer movement and soft texture. Pairing this technique with a fine-knit Henley sweater and soft twilled trousers delivers a warm yet breathable outfit, ideal for cool autumn outings. The relaxed loop adds a dynamic flow to the silhouette, giving a subtle, youthful energy while maintaining maturity. This look suits European cafes, outdoor markets, and relaxed city walks. 9. The gentle continental knot. The gentle continental knot is ideal for men over 40 who want classic European refinement with a lighter autumn feel. Unlike tight winter knots, this version keeps the scarf comfortably loose while adding a sophisticated touch around the collarbone. It pairs beautifully with a lightweight jersey bomber and a soft Malong tee, keeping the outfit easygoing yet polished. Use a linen wool blend scarf to maintain breathability during cool but not cold weather. This knot enhances facial framing and adds elegant structure without overwhelming the outfit, making it excellent for museum visits, casual meetings, or relaxed evening walks. The easy front toss loop. The easy front toss loop is a youthful, expressive way to wear a scarf that adds dynamic movement without complicating the outfit. For men over 40, this method enhances personality while still looking controlled and mature. To achieve it, let the scarf hang around the neck, create a simple loose loop in front, and toss one end slightly forward to create layered dimension. This technique pairs well with a cotton linen shirt jacket and a lightweight jersey Henley, offering breathable comfort for cool autumn air. A soft wool cotton scarf works best to keep the loop natural and unforced. The result is a relaxed European-American fusion style, perfect for casual dining, outdoor strolls, or creative workspace environments. The subtle front coil. The subtle front coil is a polished yet relaxed scarf technique ideal for men over 40 who want quiet sophistication. This method involves gently coiling the scarf once around the neck and letting both ends fall naturally in front, creating soft structure without overwhelming the collar area. It's perfect for mild autumn days when you want warmth and shape without heaviness. Pair it with a lightweight knit polo cardigan hybrid, something with a clean button front and breathable texture. The combination creates an elegant silhouette that feels modern and cultured, suited for cafes, boutique districts, or casual social evenings. A soft wool viscose scarf works perfectly for this technique, maintaining fluidity while holding form. This look communicates refined maturity while staying effortlessly youthful. The diagonal chest sweep. The diagonal chest sweep adds a dynamic directional line that instantly elevates the outfit without appearing flashy. For men over 40, this scarf technique creates visual movement that makes the torso appear slimmer and more modern. It's done by placing the scarf across one shoulder and sweeping it diagonally across the chest, securing it loosely around the opposite side. Lightweight fabrics like cotton cashmere blends work beautifully for this style. Pairing the scarf with an unlined textured blazer and a soft jersey tee gives a contemporary, smart casual look, perfect for cool autumn days. This combination works well for low-key business meetings, gallery walks, or relaxed date nights. The soft neck loop drop. The soft neck loop drop offers a minimalist, youthful silhouette, perfect for men over 40 who prefer understated elegance. Create a loose loop around the neck and allow both ends to drop freely at different lengths. This technique adds gentle shape without tightening the neckline, ideal for breezy yet mild autumn days. It pairs exceptionally well with a textured knit crew shirt and relaxed fit, cotton trousers for a laid-back but intentional vibe. A thin alpaca blend scarf enhances this technique by providing soft drape and natural warmth. The result is a modern, effortless look that works well for bookstore afternoons, cafe stops, or slow weekend walks through tree-lined streets. The minimal tuck-in front drop. The minimal tuck-in front drop is a sharp, modern technique for men over 40 who want a neat, confident appearance without complicated styling. Drape the scarf evenly around the neck, then tuck just one end lightly into the front of the shirt or jacket, leaving the other end to fall naturally. This creates clean asymmetry and vertical emphasis that elongates the torso. It works beautifully with a lightweight, unstructured overjacket and a fitted cotton crew shirt, offering warmth without heaviness. A fine moto wool scarf provides enough softness to drape gracefully while maintaining shape. This style suits loft cafes, creative studios, or relaxed urban strolls where effortless precision stands out. The continental crossover flow. This advanced scarf technique delivers refined European charm for men over 40 who appreciate stylish individuality. The continental crossover flow involves crossing both ends of the scarf over each other at the chest and letting them fall in layered harmony. It creates rich texture and movement while keeping the neckline open and comfortable, ideal for cool, crisp autumn days. Pair it with a light corduroy shirt jacket and a clean jersey top for tactile contrast that feels mature yet youthful. A smooth bamboo wool scarf works perfectly, offering elegant drape and breathable warmth. This style stands out subtly, making it great for creative meets, wine bars, or scenic afternoon strolls.
Thanks for watching the Man Style Decree. Now you've learned 15 scarf techniques that help men over 40 stay stylish, modern, and season appropriate during cool autumn days. Simple adjustments can completely transform your appearance, making your outfits cleaner, sharper, and more youthful. If these tips helped you elevate your style, don't forget to subscribe and join a community built for mature men who value timeless dressing and confident presentation. Stay sharp, stay intentional, and I'll see you in the next video.